Hi, welcome to 2D View. Daybook is one of the most important aspects of the studio workflow. Here, you can see not only the deliveries scheduled for the current date, but also any past or upcoming dates. As you can see, all the deliveries for today are listed here and are grouped based on the show. However, we have three categories to choose from when it comes to the daybook. The first being the client ETA daybook, where all deliveries are populated ETA-wise based on the client's ETA that has been agreed upon. This daybook will ensure that no deadlines are missed or skipped for any of the clients. Second category is the end date daybook, which is nothing but all deliveries for which the end date has been scheduled to that particular date. This will help in tracking the internal schedule and avoid any problems that may arise beforehand. Lastly, we have the delivery date daybook, which will give us an exact result of all the deliveries on the specified date, irrespective of its end date or client ETA. This feature will be quite handy if you want to get an accurate idea of all shots that have been or will be delivered earlier than the ETA given to the client. Keep in mind, while ingesting a shot, if you click on the Is Subtask option, it will not populate in the daybook. However, you can always keep a track of subtasks in the tasks page of a show as and when you like. As there may be a large number of shots, there is also a search and filter option to meet your needs and requirements. You can easily switch between shots and assets with the help of this button right here. And if you need to add any notes, you can simply click on the Quick Actions button on the side. Now, if you want to look at any previous date's deliveries, you can select the date here and you can see the shot statuses, which can help you track any delivery that has been missed out or skipped. If you are looking at the current date's deliveries, you can make tracking a lot more easier by simply creating a custom status, ready to upload, which would mean that the shot is completed and ready for upload to client. Similarly, you can also stay on top of things by looking at future deliveries and making sure that you plan, keeping in mind not to miss any deadlines. Daybook is very handy when it comes to getting live updates on the progress of any day's schedule.